yoga pointing to unity, the state of unity, the practice of unity, and the corresponding experience of unity is the fundamental purpose of life. On the Unity Tour, we've been first landed in Atlanta, and there was a beautiful experience with community, with amazing people. And then from there to Sattva Unity in Sacramento, again another amazing gathering of amazing souls with such a beautiful sense of community. And then Los Angeles, Topanga, and then in Santa Monica. You know, the theme of all these places have been this incredible gathering of amazing community and really deep, sincere people, and such a joy that I felt, people coming together. And now we are here in North Carolina at the Moon Rising retreat.
Love is God, and God is love, and God is within you. Love is the self-experienced. And as that one starts to deepen in that space, one's baseline starts to be love. Love is who we are.